I'll guide you through how to use LinkedIn to find a job. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to LinkedIn and log in or sign up if you haven't already. Once you're in, head to the top menu and click the Jobs button. This will take you to a page full of job listings from a wide range of companies and industries. Take your time to browse through the list. For example, let's say you want to apply for a senior business analyst position at Alaska Permanent Fund Corporation. Click on the listing to open it. Now, hit the Apply button and don't forget to turn on the Increase Your Chance of Being Viewed. This gives your profile better visibility to recruiters. Once that's done, click Continue. You'll then be redirected to the company's official website or external application page. Here, you'll need to enter your personal information like your full name, email address, phone number, and home address. Most applications will also ask for your resume, and some may require a cover letter or answers to specific screening questions. Take your time to fill everything out accurately. Once you've filled everything out, just click Submit Application.